Stop buying wrong hosting plans. Everywhere you look, Black Friday hosting deals are popping up. 70% off, 80% off, even 90% off. Sounds amazing, right? But if you grab a cheapest one, you might be setting yourself up for bad security, poor speed, and even worse, website that crashes when traffic spikes. In this video, I will make sure that this doesn't happen to you. So, we will break down the 4 main hosting types, go through my top Black Friday picks for each, and help you select a plan that actually fits your needs so you can save big and avoid regret. For those who don't know, hosting is what makes your website live on the internet. It's where all your website files are stored so people can access them. If you're totally new, I have linked another video, What is Hosting? So go check it out. A quick note, all the deals I'm mentioning are live right now. Some are official Black Friday offers, some are early Black Friday, and few are expected soon. Discounts and dates can change as we get closer to Black Friday. So I will keep the discount sheet linked below updated with the latest prices. Now let's start with shared hosting. Think of it like living in an apartment building. Your website shares a server with hundreds of other websites, which keeps the cost low. The hosting company manages all the technical stuff, so it's perfect for beginners. Just remember one thing, that if one website gets a traffic spike or a spam attack, your website can slow down or be affected too. Here, Hostinger tops my list for beginners. It's super budget friendly, and this Black Friday, they're offering up to 80% off shared plans plus 3 extra months free on the 48-month plans running from October 28 till December 1. You also get a free domain on 12-month plans and above, 99.99% uptime, 24/7 customer support, and a built-in AI assistant Cody inside the each panel. And if you change your mind, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Next, we have a SiteGround. They are known for their excellent support and reliability. In fact, they run on Google Cloud, which means faster speed and top stability. They are offering up to 88% off this Black Friday, and the sale is expected to run till December 2. They offer 99.9% uptime, fast servers, one of the most responsive support teams in the industry, a 30-day money-back guarantee on shared hosting plans. Just keep in mind that renewal prices are a bit high, around $17.99 per month, but the reliability is worth it. If speed is your top priority, go for A2 Hosting. Their turbo servers make website up to 20 times faster with NVMe storage, multiple data center options, and an uptime of 99.9%. Right now, they're offering a massive Black Friday discount up to 99% off with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's ideal if you're a bit tech-savvy and want top performance without jumping into cloud hosting. Another good trade host to keep an eye on is NixiHost. Beginner-friendly, solid uptime, and they usually roll out great Black Friday deals. So if you're just starting out, Hostinger, A2 Hosting, or SiteGround will get your website online affordably and quickly. That's it. Now let's move on to managed WordPress hosting. It's like living in a full-service hotel. The provider handles everything. Speed, updates, security, everything is taken care of you. You just focus 100% on your business or content. Perfect for beginners, bloggers, or store owners who don't want to touch server settings. Just keep in mind that this kind of hosting only supports WordPress, so if you switch to another CMS, you need a new setup. Kinsta is one of the best in this category. They are built on Google Cloud, offer fast lightning speed, and automatically handles all WordPress updates. For Black Friday, they're offering 50% off for the first 6 months if you go with their monthly plan. And if you choose the annual plan, you will get 6 months completely free. The deal starts from November 17 till December 2. You also get a 99.9% uptime, 24/7 customer support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just note, they don't include domain registration. Next up is Rocket.net. Even after being acquired by Hosting.com, they still run independently, offering top-tier performance. They include a free Cloudflare Enterprise, which means faster speed, better security, and improved core web vitals. Right now, you can try it out for just $1 for the first month, which is perfect if you want to try it out without committing. In the past, they have offered massive Black Friday discounts up to 70% off, So we can expect a similar deal this year. They offer 99.99% uptime, instant live chat support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. No domains included, but their dashboard is super beginner friendly and easy to manage. Other great options include Nexus, WPX hosting, both reliable, managed, and offer amazing Black Friday deals. Managed hosting costs more, but if you value speed, security, and zero technical stress, it's absolutely worth it. Okay, so that covers our beginner options. Now let's move on to final categories: cloud hosting and WPS hosting. Cloud hosting is just like having your own private space in a managed building. Your site runs across multiple virtual servers, so if one server fails, another one instantly takes up. It's scalable, reliable, and you only pay for what you use. Perfect for growing websites, SaaS projects, and high traffic businesses. Cloudways is a top choice here. It's a managed cloud hosting platform that connects you with top providers like Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, AWS without the need to handle complex setup. Their early Black Friday sale is live, 50% off for the first 3 months on all hosting plans and add-ons. You also get a 99.99% uptime, AI-powered management, and scale resources instantly. The only catch: no email hosting or traditional cPanel, though their dashboard is very easy to use. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Next, Liquid Web. This one's built for large websites and online stores that need serious and guaranteed resources. They are offering up to 50% off on their managed hosting plans this Black Friday with flexible billing options and a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's a bit expensive, but you get dedicated performance, top-tier security, and near-perfect uptime. Finally, VPS hosting. Think of it as renting your own entire floor in a building. You still share the building, but your floor, your resources are completely yours. You get more control, customization, and stability than shared hosting. Perfect for growing businesses or developers who want more flexibility. You can customize your own server setup, install what you need, and scale resources as your site grows. Just remember, it's a bit more technical to manage. RackNerd is one of the most affordable VPS provider, and their Black Friday deals are legendary. Right now, they're running both an early Black Friday sale and 11/11 promotion, so you can get deals like 1 GB VPS at $10.76 per year. They often include extras like free bandwidth and giveaways too. Support is ticket-based but responsive. You will get SSD storage, multiple data centers to choose from, and a 99.999% uptime. Just note, there's no refund, so commit to a short-term plan before committing to a long run. So if you're running a hobby project or testing servers, RackNerd is perfect. But for business websites or e-commerce store, go for larger providers like Hetzner, Vultr, DigitalOcean for more consistency. And when your site really grows, you can move to enterprises like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Now that you know the deals, here's how to buy smart this Black Friday. First, match your stage. Beginner, go shared. WordPress business, go managed. Need more control or scalability? Go VPS or cloud. Second, check the renewal rates. Most of these Black Friday deals are for first term only. Renewal rates can be 2 to 3 times higher, so always check before buying. Third, make a smart wish list. Know what tools you actually need. Compare historical prices. Not every deal is a real discount. Read refund policies. Buyer's remorse is real. And most importantly, don't panic by something you will never use. So that's it, a complete Black Friday hosting guide. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.